This is me, Kazo Golden. This is the show called The Adventure of the Missing Engine, starting now with Stanley right over there who's stuck. Dang, stuck again. I hate getting stuck. Even with these cars. Big car right here. Always gets me in trouble. Right, Stanley? Yo, these stupid cars blocking my way. Oh my, I get a couple of those. I can cut them. Yes, I'm free. No, they up the rails again. I cannot swing. Wow, dang. There's the point. Whoa! Oh no! I'm on the wrong side! Whoa! I'm tripping! Whoa! Alright, I'll give you a push. Yeah! Whoa! Whee! Ah! Whoosh! Who did put tracks? Oh my god! Oh, that was so painful! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh, that's terrible! Oh! What's that sound? No! 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 Ah! The horse! Come on, Henry! Pick me up from heaven! Thank you! Wow, what the heck was that? No! I'm horrifying! What am I on the tracks? Run! Woo! Stop! Hi! I'm trying to. I just need to sign here. Hold up, hands! What am I trying to do? Now, good go. Yay! Woo! Beautiful. Oh my god, bumpers! This one let me do this part. Whoa! This part was kind of scary. Okay, outside. So beautiful. Well, here I go. Whoa. Let's go. Oh my. Oh! It hurts. I must have fell into water or something. It hurts. Shh. Hey, have you seen Stanley in a while? No, I haven't. Then go find him. Fine, but I can't work. Let me find him. Oh. I always need to find this orange table. Actually, I should use my magic. So, here we go. Do a channel. Here we go. Blah, blah, blah. Man, but I am hard at going through bridges. Whoa! What's going on? There's Harvey. He's always shippy all the time. I think he's over here. Stanley. Man, these bridges are so stupid. Stupid bridges! No. Whoa. There you are! Now I'm hanging over the edge, so help me! I can't help you. Help me then! I told you I can't help you. Help me! For us? Oh my god, I told you this. I can't help you! Oh. Help me! Oh god. 10 hours later. Help me! There, I helped you. Yay! Whee! How do you even use a hand crane? It's simple. My magic. that was creepy. Will, you want to talk? No! Here I come. No! No!